A new development today could give Republicans a majority in the Minnesota House, at least temporarily.
Well, the GOP claimed one of the Democrats did not live in the district where he ran for office, and today a judge agreed. Fox 9's Corin Hoggard is in our newsroom. And Corin, so what does this mean for the balance of power now at the Capitol?
Well, Tim and Simone, it could be a tiebreaker. The Republicans and Democrats each won 67 seats there in November, so they've been working out a shared power arrangement, but this could give Republicans a one-vote majority when the legislature convenes next month. The judge ruled today that DFLer Curtis Johnson should not take the oath of office. He won the race in District 40B by a margin of 30 percentage points, but that district includes Roseville and Shoreview, and his opponent said Johnson lives in Little Canada, outside the district. You have to live in your district for 6 months to get elected. So from August to November, Paul Wikstrom had a team of people monitoring Johnson's family home in Little Canada and his apartment in Roseville. And the judge agreed. They proved Johnson didn't appear to live in that apartment long enough. Now, quote, with the overwhelming evidence we heard during the trial, Lisa Damuth, the speaker designate, says, she says the overwhelming evidence said that the Democrat candidate in Roseville never lived in the district. And she says, I applaud the court's decision to grant the election contest, and I look forward to ensuring that a valid candidate represents District 40B during the upcoming legislative session, end quote. Now, Melissa Hortman, the current speaker, she says the court erred as a matter of law in not dismissing this case. A residency issue must be resolved before an election and is not an appropriate basis for an election contest. So we will appeal to the Minnesota Supreme Court, and we expect the Supreme Court will dismiss the case. That'll take time, though, and if Johnson loses his appeal, there will be a special election, possibly in February. Democrats usually win that district, but until someone is legally seated, the GOP will have a majority in the House. From the newsroom, Corin Hoggard.